They're out there, all around us, watching over us, protecting us. Isn't that cool?
How come I've never seen them?
Just because you haven't seen something doesn't mean it's not there.
Dad!
What's going on, baby girl?
Talking snails.
Actually, I'm a slug. No shell over here, baby.
Who are you people?
We are the Leaf Men, protectors of the forest.
I'm not from this world.
What happened? You got shrunk?
Yes!
Seriously?
It's been a weird day for everybody.
Ow!
You're here for a reason. Sometimes the connections aren't clear.
I am going to destroy the forest.
If our world dies, your world will die too.
Come on, you're with us now.
The forest belongs to the darkness.
You'll have to get through us first.
Other way! Run! Can you go any faster?
It's kind of hard when you're pulling on my brain. I have to find my daughter.
I'm here! Don't stop looking! Ozzy, no kisses!
You just can't stop the rods.
Ugly says what?
What?
Nothing.